TesStudio electric retractable sunshade for Model Y installation tutorial. Open the trunk and fold down the rear seats. Remove the weather stripping and lift the interior panel. Prepare the wiring from the product kit. Unplug the original car's connector and separate the wires on the double-ended side. Extend the single-ended wire towards the ceiling for later use, as shown in the video. Restore the interior panel. Place the sunshade inside the car, making sure the side with the wiring is facing the trunk. Thread the sunshade's wire through the ceiling interior, as shown in the video, and pull it outside the car. Connect the power cable and reattach the weather stripping. Insert the sunshade clips into the gap between the glass and the ceiling trim. Do the same for the front side as well. Align the screw holes on the sunshade with the screw holes on the clips and tighten the screws to secure it. Repeat on the other side. Once these steps are complete, TesStudio electric retractable sunshade installation is finished.